Welcome to my channel. Today I'm excited to show you how to make this beautiful, chic, multi-layered gold chain necklace. It's stylish, elegant, and perfect for layering with any outfit. Let's dive in and create this trendy look together. For this project, we'll need 3 different gold chains in varying sizes and textures. Mixing styles like cable, rope, and satellite chains adds depth and interest to the layered look. Gold tone jump rings 2T6Me and lobster clasp. Select 3 of your favorite pendants, each one adding a unique touch to each layer for a personalized. Decide the lengths of your 3 necklace layers for a perfect drape. I suggested top layer at 14 inches, middle at 16 inches, and bottom layer at 18 inches. Measure a 14-inch thin gold chain for the top layer, then carefully cut it using your jewelry plier cutter tool. For the second layer, measure a 16-inch gold chain. Use 2 flat nose pliers to gently open a chain link and split it, creating a clean, precise finish. For the third layer, measure an 18-inch gold chain. Choose a chain with large links to add bold contrast and enhance the layered look. Lay your chains flat on your workspace to keep them organized and ensure a clear view while assembling your necklace. Open a jump ring, insert it into your chosen pendant, then attach it to the center link of the large chain after folding the chain in half to find the exact middle for precision. Insert the chain directly through the loop of the pendant, positioning it at the center for a balanced and polished look. You can find a variety of gold pendants online to personalize your multi-layered necklace. Use flat nose pliers to gently open a small jump ring. Make sure the size fits the thin chain, then insert it carefully through the end link for a secure hold. Please be patient when inserting the jump ring, as the thin chain link is narrow and may require a bit of careful effort. Insert the end of the 14-inch chain into a 10mm jump ring using flat nose pliers, then close the ring tightly to ensure the chain is securely attached. Remember, the large jump ring will serve as the main connector, holding all 3 chains together on one side of the necklace. Move to the second chain layer by opening a small jump ring, inserting it into the end link of the 16-inch chain, and attaching it to the large jump ring. Don't forget to arrange the chains in order from shortest to longest to achieve a clean, layered necklace look. Open one more jump ring and carefully insert it into the end link of the last chain to complete the layered setup. Attach the chain to the connector using the jump ring, then close it tightly with pliers to ensure a secure hold. Align your chains correctly so each layer falls neatly. This helps maintain the necklace's shape and prevents tangling while wearing. Now, let's move to the other side of the necklace. and repeat the same process to attach each chain in order. Start with the thin chain for the top layer. Open a small jump ring using pliers, then attach it securely to the end link of the chain. Please be patient when inserting the jump ring, as the thin chain link is narrow and may require a bit of careful effort. Attach the chain to the large jump ring, then use pliers to close the jump ring tightly, securing it in place. Open one more jump ring and repeat the same process by attaching it to the next chain and securing it to the connector. Keep your eyes on the chain order to ensure the layers stay in proper sequence from shortest to longest for a balanced look. Open a jump ring and insert it into the last end link of the necklace chain, preparing it for final attachment to the connector. Using your pliers, gently but firmly close the jump ring to ensure it's securely fastened and holds the chain in place properly. Open another jump ring using your pliers. Insert it through the chain connectors holding all 3 layers, then attach the lobster clasp to the jump ring and carefully close it to secure everything in place. On the other side, open the final jump ring, insert it into the chain connector, add the extension chain, and close it tightly to secure everything in place. Your beautiful multi-layered gold chain necklace is now ready to wear. Enjoy your chic new accessory and show off your stunning handmade creation with confidence and style. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stylish DIY jewelry tutorials and inspiration.